Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the devices on the same Wi-Fi and updated. This prevents connection errors. Once ready, unlock your iPhone or iPad and swipe to Open Control Center. On Face ID devices, swipe down from top right. Tap Screen Mirroring, then scan the list for your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 TV. Select it. If a code appears on the TV, enter it on your device. Doing these steps first eliminates delays and lets you move directly to optimizing the stream quality. After selecting the TV, you'll see your screen. This mirrors everything in real time, so be mindful of notifications. Once connected, make sure Do Not Disturb is on to avoid interruptions. If video looks choppy, move both devices closer to the router or switch the router channel. Interference causes lag. For presentations, lock orientation and disable auto lock so the display stays stable. Finally, control audio either from your device or the TV. Choosing the TV often reduces. When you're done, stop mirroring from Control Center to free bandwidth. That cleanly ends the session. If the mirror won't connect, try rebooting your iPhone and the TV, then restart the router. This clears stale network leases. Make sure AirPlay receiving on the TV isn't restricted by passcodes or device verification. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone, but remember that erases saved Wi-Fi passwords. This sequence fixes most issues and protects your privacy afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.